What's up, everybody? Hope y'all doing good today. Today we get my new tires installed on my truck. It's gonna be my first video of my build process, build little series I'm doing for my F250. If y'all seen the previous video, I went in details of what I'm doing, all my plans I'm doing for my truck. So I finally found a tire place that can put these on and balance them. Not too far from my house. So I went and I got the tires I got are Atturo MTs, Treble MTs. They're 37, 1350, R20. My other tires are pretty much done for. I've done a lot of burnouts and donuts and stuff. I don't keep tires long. I'm gonna try to do a little bit on these. They burn all the way up. And these are 37 1250 R20s. They're called Radars, Renegades, MT. They're okay. The road noise is pretty good on them. So let's go get those, give them a tire put on today. And after that, they will try to get detailed. Cause I ain't washing about 2 or 3 weeks. So get that done. And like I said, this is my first video of my build process. So y'all follow along.
Your destination is on the right.
You tell you leave the stickers on.
I said what?
Leave the stickers on.
Yeah, we can leave them on.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate
no problem.
What's your name?
Sergio.
Nice to meet you. I'm Justin, man.
What's up? Man, this is big ass tires.
I'm a small YouTuber.
Okay, that's what's up.
Last time I got some tires put on my truck, I went to Rim Time in Raleigh, and they jacked my truck up and had on jack stands. And the jack stands broke and broke my bump off.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't know why they try to jack a whole truck up like at one time for.
They should be able to lift. They probably lift the whole truck with just, like the whole back with just one jack, and that's probably what the jack should have handled.
Yeah, they took my whole bump off my truck.
Dang.
Oh, pissed off.
Not bad.
At least they doing it right this time, but only jacking up one side at a time. Rim Time, I don't know what in the world Rim Time was thinking, but jacking up my whole truck and putting on 4 jack stands. I think little small jack stands are gonna hold that truck up. So like I said, when they did it, they tore the whole front bumper off my truck. So they gave me a rental and they put me a whole brand new bumper on my truck. But if you go to Rim Time, tell them don't, especially if you bring a diesel truck up there, tell them don't jack your truck all the way up, having them 4 jack stands. Please don't. Do 2 tires at a time, like you're supposed to. Unless you got a big enough car lift to do a diesel truck. What y'all do here besides tires?
So tires, alignment, inspection, towing truck, and any type of mechanical work. Couple stuff. Got it?
Who's your little brother right here?
Yeah.
You know everything, don't you? Look at him trained up.
Yeah. You get picked today, that's why he's tough it out.
So my new lift kit coming. Well, it's already here, I already got it. But new shocks, I already got a 2-inch leveling kit on here. But it's down here, my bad, down here. This gonna be powder coated purple. Oh, that can be powder coated purple. Maybe down the road I get the front axle powder coated purple, but that's a lot of work to take the axle out. Oh, the new tire looks so good. It still looks a little small. That should look forwards. That should look forwards. So now I got the back tire off. This is my plans for the back. Okay. New leaf springs. They're gonna be powder coated purple. Airbag gonna go here. They're gonna be powder coated purple. Spare tire delete kit. Train horn gonna go there. With 2 tanks of air, so I can do like run small pneumatic tubes and stuff like that. And what else for the back? I think that's it. I really wish this truck came with a helper spring, but I guess the lariats, I guess it was extra for these trucks. You want to shout your family business out before I go?
I don't even know what to say.
You see all the Cortez? Or?
Yeah, this Cortez tire. Anything you guys need, we can help you guys out. I mean,
all right.
Yeah, whatever.
I appreciate it, man.
No problem. Good.
So this is my 2-day review of the Atturo Trailblade MTs. They're great tires. I have no complaints out of them. They're the best, quietest mud tire I've ever had. And I've been running all the big name brands from Nitto, everything you think I ran them. But these right here are by far the quietest mud tire I've ran. Even my wife said the same thing. From 0 to 45, no noise. From 45 to 85, a slight little noise. I mean, a small hum. And that's for me. I'm driving 2006 F250, and the sound installation on these older trucks are not as good as the new trucks. So I mean, that tells you right there. I mean, these tires are quiet. It's been raining here the past 2 days, so they work real good in rain. I'm about to say Wayne. In the rain. What else? I think that's about it. They don't run true to size for height. Width, they run true to size, but for height, they don't run true to size. The height on these, again, I got 37s. They run 36.8. So, with that being said, my next setup, I'm getting 40s. So I looked at 40, the size for 40s, the inflated height were like 39.8 or something like that. So, no, I think it was lower than that. I think it was like 38. I think it was like 38.9 for 40s. So that'll be my next set of getting 40, 1350s, R20s. I highly recommend these tires for running for 2 days. I would do a 6-month review and a month review. I mean, a month review and a 6-month review and a year review. But as of right now, I highly recommend these tires. They're great. This is the first step of my build process. Hopefully the next thing y'all see in the videos, get everything powder coated. I get order my train horns and airbag system. Get all that ordered so I can get everything powder coated at the same time. But that'll probably be my next video. Get everything powder coated once I get everything here. It's gonna be a slow process. Not gonna be done overnight. Because before I put everything on the truck, I'm getting the truck undercoated and getting the spray and bed liner and a new tailgate. So it'll be a slow process. I hope I get everything done before this winter time or fall. So y'all follow along. So it'd be great. But I'll see y'all in the next one. Keep your head up, keep God first, and keep moving forward. Peace.